Welcome to learning through examples. Examples help to understand better. In this video, that is video number 8, we'll do the revision of video 7, that is ng model directive with input tag, and further we'll see ng model directive with text area tag. So this was the last video, video 7, where we have seen the use of ng model directive with input tag. So just let me remove few things so that we can revise again. Let me remove this. Let me remove what I have written. Yeah, now it's full empty. Yes, this looks good. So I will say first name equals to input type equals to text, right? And I'll say last name equals to input type text, and I will say h1 full name equals to double quotes. This is what we have seen in the previous video, right? So let me run my application, launch in Firefox. Yes, first name ABC, last name XYZ. Right now what I want, that I want to display ABC and XYZ, that is first name and last name, as a full name. So we will use ng model, what we have seen in the last video, previous video. So I will say ng hyphen model equals to, I will say first name. Here I will say ng model, I'll say last name, and just in the expression syntax I will use the same name, first name and last name. Save it, run it again, and yet you can say Angular, and you can say Google, right? So the binding, this is known as binding. The binding is happening from text input to your variable data. Close this. Right now let me give some default value. So I will say ng init, I will say first name equals to ABC, and last name equals to PQR. Now whenever your application will run, the text input, the first name will be displayed as ABC because of ng model, which is starting first name, and first name contains ABC. Similarly, last name will show as PQR because PQR is assigned to last name, and last name is used as a ng model for input tag. So let me save it and run it again, and you can see ABC and PQR are already displayed. So if you remove this and give some another value, it will give that. If you save it, give another value, it will bind the value accordingly. So this is what we have seen the concept in the last video. Now let's see ng model with the text area. So I can say I can have, I have address, right? I can say address equals to text area, save it, run your application, and you have the address tag. Here you have to type your address, right? It's working as of now. Now I'll say S3 tag, you typed following address. You type following address, and here I have to give the address what a user has typed. So again the same concept, I will use ng model. I will say ng hyphen model, I will say address, the variable, and same thing I will assign to the double curly braces. Save it, run it in your Firefox, and you can say, I will say PQR, and here I will say XYZ. It's happening. I live in India, right? So it's the binding is happening. Whatever you are typing in your text area tag, because of your ng model, which is getting stored in address, that value is stored in your address variable, and that can be used elsewhere. Similarly with your ng model, what you have used for your input tag. So in video 8 we have seen ng model directive, a directive that binds the value of the text area tag to your application data or variable, and vice versa. Thanks for watching. Do share and subscribe to our channel Learning Through Examples. Like our page on Facebook. Thanks.